Hello, welcome to chapter 6, your application to derivative. Today we are going to see the topic absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value. Let us see if the question and the given interval is there, then how can we find out for the function absolute maximum and absolute minimum value. To see this, we have taken here 4 different questions. We'll start from the question number 1. You can see here the function given to us is fx. Fx is equal to x cube and the given closed interval is that x belongs to minus 2 and 2. First of all, we'll find out the first derivative. What is f dash x? We know the f dash x is 3x square. After this, we will find out the critical point. How can we work out for the critical point? By making f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0 for critical points. For critical points. Okay. Now that is 3x square is equal to 0 implies x square is equal to 0 and that is x is equal to 0. अब आप देख सकते हैं जो 0 है आपका इस क्लोज इंटरवल में बिलोंग कर रहा है. 0 belongs to close interval minus 2, 2. Now we'll find out the value of the given function at 3 points, that is 0, minus 2 and 2. First of all, let us work out for the f minus 2, then f2 and then f0. f minus 2 पे आप देखिए ये आपका minus 2 cube and that is equal to minus 8. Again, we can see here f2 पे this will be your 2 cube and this is equal to 8 and this will equal to 0 and here it will be 0. So you can see here out of these 3, minus 8 is the minimum value. This is the minimum and this is the maximum. So, your absolute maximum value is 8 at x is equal to 2. आप देख सकते हैं x is equal to 2 पे आपका क्या है absolute maximum, then absolute minimum value is minus 8 at x is equal to minus 2. So this is the way how we work out for absolute maxima and absolute minimum value for the given function in closed interval. So now let us move on to the question number 2. For question number 2, it's given fx is equal to sin x plus cos x and your x belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Okay, just find out the critical points by differentiating. f dash x आपका हो जाएगा cos x minus sin x. For critical points, f dash x is equal to 0, that is cos x minus sin x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to sin x and here tan x is equal to 1 which can be written as tan pi by 4. So what is x? X is equal to pi by 4 and pi by 4 belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Now we'll find out the value of the given function in 3 points, that is एक आपका हो जाएगा f0, f pi by 4 and f pi. Okay, now just see here जब आप f0 निकालेंगे तो हो जाएगा sin 0 प्लस cos 0 एंड दिस इज 0 प्लस 1, दिस इज इक्वल टू 1. जब आप f पाई बाई 4 निकालेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा आपका sin पाई बाई 4 प्लस cos पाई बाई 4 एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट 2 प्लस 1 बाई रूट 2. This is equal to 2 upon root 2 and this is equal to root 2. Next, जब आप f पाई निकालेंगे तो ये आपका हो जाएगा sin पाई प्लस cos पाई. So this is equal to, you can see here, this will be equal to minus 1 and here it will be equal to 0. So we are here with minus 1. Okay. Now you can see here the value of cos 90 is 0. So if cos 90 is 0, how can you find out the pi? You can see here cos 90 plus, or you can, you know the values, so you can put the values. There is no need of doing all these things. So when you put here, that will minus 1 plus 0 and that is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now you can see here the maximum value is this root 2. The value of this is 1.414. Okay. And what about minimum value? This is minus 1. That is at x is equal to pi. तो आपका हो जाएगा absolute maximum value is at, maximum अपन निकाल रहे हैं तो ये हो जाएगा कितना हो जाएगा root 2 और किस पॉइंट पे है pi by 4. Okay. Now here it is x is equal to pi और कितनी वैल्यू है आपकी ये minus 1. Okay. You know the graph of the sin x. Okay. That is here plus 1, 0 and minus 1. Sin 0 is 0. We can see here 2 pi. This is pi by 2 and here it is 3 pi by 2. Okay. Now you can see sin 0 आपका 0 है, ये आपका 1, right? This is your 1. In this way it is. तो आपका sin pi कितना हो जाएगा 0. ये वैल्यू इसकी है और ये वैल्यू आपकी इसकी है. ठीक है. So in this way we'll move on to the next. Our next question is fx. इसको हम रब कर देते हैं. Your question is fx is equal to x minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Question number 3. f dash x निकाल लीजिए. ये आपका हो जाएगा 2x minus 1 plus 3. Now for critical points, make f dash x is equal to 0. तो ये 2x minus 1, देखिए यहाँ पे ये 0 हो जाएगा. कांस्टेंट है, कांस्टेंट है. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. इंटरवल ले लीजिए. यहाँ पे आपका x belongs to -3 1 है. That means 1 belongs to close interval -3 1. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 ही पॉइंट है, तो हम f -3 निकाल लेंगे. f -3 आपका कितना आ जाएगा -3 minus 1 square plus 3. 4 का square 16, that is 16 plus 3, that is 19. Next f1 will be 1 minus 1 the whole square plus 3, that is equal to 3. तो हमारा एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आपके फंक्शन का कितना हो जाएगा 19 किस पॉइंट पे -3. ओके. देन ये मिनिमम वैल्यू विल बी 3 किस पॉइंट पे 1. ओके. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. In question number 4, it's given fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 and your x belongs to closed interval 0 and 2. Okay. Now just say differentiate this f dash x. This is equal to under root x square plus 1 d by dx of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 d by dx of under root x square plus 1 the whole upon x square plus 1 the whole square. Okay, ये आपका हो जाएगा under root x square plus 1. Okay, this will be minus x plus 1 1 upon 2 under root x square plus 1 into 2x अपॉन में आप देख सकते हैं ये आपका हो जाएगा x square plus 1. Okay, now we'll simplify more. देखिए 2 से 2 आपका कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Multiply this, then this becomes x square plus 1. यहाँ पे minus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 under root x square plus 1. This is your f dash x. For critical points, f dash x is equal to 0. Okay, इसको हम लोग रखेंगे, हमें वैल्यूज निकालनी होगी. Now when you keep f dash x is equal to 0, you can see here ये आपका हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे ये x आएगा, that was x plus 1. Okay, so this will be here. यहाँ पे माइनस था आपका, that is x square minus x. Okay. Now you can see that this term is getting cancelled, so we are here with 1 minus x upon under root x square plus 1. X square plus 1 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 1, and again 1 belongs to 0 closed interval 0 to 2. अब जो हमारे पॉइंट्स होंगे वो आपका हो जाएगा f0. f0 में देखिए ये आपका हो जाएगा 0 plus 1 that is 1. Again यहाँ पे 0 that is 1 and this will be again 1. Okay, then f1 में ये आपको आ जाएगा 2 upon root 2 that is root 2 that is 1.414. Okay, now f2 में ये आपका हो जाएगा 3 upon यहाँ पे आपका हो जाएगा root 5. Right, this will be equal to 3 root 5 upon 5. We know the value of root 5. You can approx value you can keep. और ये आपका जब आप ये 0.6 into जब आप 2 point something करेंगे, you will be getting here 1.34. So you can see here your absolute maximum value is this. इसको रब करिए. Absolute maximum value आपकी ये आ रही है, that is maximum. Okay, and this is your minimum. तो maximum value हम लोग लिख लेंगे √2. कहाँ पे √2 किस पॉइंट पे है? 1. मिनिमम आपकी कितनी आ रही है? is 1. किस पॉइंट पे? x is equal to 0. यहाँ पे देखिए √2 की वैल्यू इसलिए आपको थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा, एटलीस्ट अप टू 1 decimal, so that you can make out out of these two which one is more. So this is how, if the given function is there for the given closed interval, you can work out for the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value of the given function. Thank you.